In this video, we're going to look at the workflow automation functionality of the Dusk IOP. From the left menu, scroll down to Settings, across, and down to Workflow Automation. In here are a list of the workflows that have been created. We've got one for daily incomplete jobs and one for job SMSs. On the right hand side here, we can view the number of times that these workflows have been executed. We can edit them and we can delete them. In this case, we'll go and have a look at the daily incomplete jobs workflow. On the left are a series of tiles. Some of these are pre-configured tiles for workflows to make it easy to get started. For example, incomplete jobs. This allows you to drag the tile over and set up a time that you'd like to be notified of jobs that are at any status. So you can scroll down the list here and choose one of the predefined statuses to receive an alert at that time to ensure that you can take action and advise customers of potential incomplete work for the day. The next section to do is to drag over the communication. So here, for example, we're choosing to communicate via email, we're choosing who to send it to, and then we also choose the message. We can format it and we can put additional information in. If we've got other activities, let's say like data events, we can drag them over and we can make an update in here based on what we want to receive the workflow for. Multiple examples here could include things like quotes. So if there's a quote that's been added and then we want to add in a decision, we choose our clause and we can add rules or groups in here as well. And then what we can do is choose how to take action based on that decision. So a good example here might be that if we were choosing to introduce a workflow for quoting, we could say if a new quote is added and it's above a certain value, send that quote to the CEO for approval. If it's below a certain value, we're going to add a communicate box over there and we're going to send it to a different person, maybe the general manager, for approval. And if it's rejected, it goes one way, and approved, it goes the other, or back through the loop. Additional functionality in here includes the ability to query different types of information. So let's say we go to jobs here, we can choose different values, we can choose the fields from there, and we can basically create workflows based on that. We've got the ability to integrate to APIs also, and also to edit existing functionality for jobs as well. So the variations here are quite wide and there's a number of things that can be done. So we've got a number of templates that have been completed already, so we're happy to provide those as part of the trial for the Dusk IOP. This is how you create workflows in the Dusk IOP.